Students, in this video we are going to solve the problem of homogeneous differential equation of section 2.8 and exercise 1 of the standard book M.D. Raisinghania. So without wasting the time, let's begin the journey. What it is saying? So this is our given question, right? And we know that whenever there is a question related to ODE, ordinary differential equation, at first we have to write the question. Okay, so let's do it. At first we have to write that given that what is given? It is given that x cube plus 3x y square dx plus y cube plus 3x square y dy equal to 0. So this is our given data, and as we know that to solve the homogeneous differential equation, at first we have to write the equation in this form, dy by dx equal to something, right? So let's do it. After that we will proceed further. So what we have to do for that? At first rearrange it. Okay, so if we put this term at this side, then what it will be? So it will be y cube plus 3x square y dy, it will be equal to minus x cube plus 3x y square dx, right? Now just rearrange it. How? dy upon dx, take it this side, right? And when this dx will come this side, it will be in the denominator, right? Similarly, it will be equal to x cube plus 3x y square by, take this term this side, so it will be y cube plus 3x square y, right? So till now I think everything is clear, because this is nothing but just a simple calculation, right? So what was the next step? The next step was that you have to write let y equal to vx, right? And let it be equation 1. Okay, now by differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get, so differentiate it with respect to x, what will you get? When you differentiate this y with respect to x, then you will get ddx of y, you will get ddx of y, it will be equal to, right? Differentiate it by using the multiplication law. So what will you get? You will get that b into dx upon dx, it will be 1, so it will be b, plus take this x as constant and differentiate b, what will you get? You will get dv upon dx, right? So let it be equation 2. Okay, and suppose this is my equation a, right? So till now I think everything is clear, right? There is nothing but just the simple calculations. Okay, now see how I am going to use this in this equation. So use this term. Okay, at first use this and this, right? So by using equation 1 and 2 in equation A, we get what we get. So put it, what it is, dy by dx equal to this term, and here is dy by dx, so replace it. So it will be b plus x dv upon dx, and it will be equal to, see here is minus x cube, minus of x cube, plus here is 3x, and what is it? Y square. And what is y? From equation 1, y is vx, so put y means vx, y square, right? See, I am doing nothing but just replacing. Instead of y, I am writing vx, right? By y cube means vx cube plus 3x square into vx, right? Now just simplify it. What will you get? You will get v plus x into dv by dx. Sorry, it is actually ddx of v, right? So now it will be minus x cube plus 3. See, here is x square, here is x, so it will be x cube and it will be v square, right? Y, what will you get? V cube x cube, right, plus 3 x square into x, it will be equal to x cube and v will be as it is, right? So this is our new term. Okay, now see, can we simplify it further or not, right? So if you look carefully, then you will understand that yes, here x cube is going to be common, and similarly in the denominator there is also x cube in common, right? So take it, so it will be v plus x into dv upon dx, sorry, d dx of v will be equal to, take x cube as common, so it will be 1 plus 3v square, right? Similarly, if you take x cube common, it will be v cube plus 3v, right? So students, till now I think everything is clear. If not, then please go back and check that step. Okay, so see, it will imply, let me change the color so that it will looks beautiful, right? So it will be v plus x dv by dx, sorry, ddx of v, it will be equal to x cube cancelled, so it will be minus 1 plus 3v square by v cube plus 3v, right? So students, we get this one, right? So now what we have to do, can we simplify it further or not? Just check. So yes, we can. Take this v this side, okay? So it will be more simplified. So do it. Wait, let me change the color again. Let me choose this color, white, color of fish, right? So see, it will imply that x ddx of v, it will be equal to minus, wait, 1 plus 3v square by b cube plus 3v minus v, okay? And it will imply, it will be equal to, take the LCM will be v cube plus 3v. Now what it will be? It will be as it is, so write it, minus 1 plus 3v square, and when you multiply this term with v, you will get v to the power 4 plus 3v square, right? So this is the new term, right? Now simplify it again. What will you get? It will be x into dv dx, it will be equal to minus 1 minus 3v square, just open the bracket, nothing else, minus v to the power 4 minus 3v square, right? This is a square, don't be confused with that, okay? v cube plus 3v, right? Now see, x dv upon dx, sorry, ddx of v, and it will be minus v to the power 4, right? Minus 3v square, it will be minus 6v square, and this is minus 1 by v cube plus 3v, right? So till now we have this equation, right? So now check, can we do anything else here? See, actually we have to make it into separation of variable, right? Means we have to separate the variable so that we can integrate it easily, right? So see, how can we do it? See, what can we do here? Okay, let me rearrange the variables, right? So see, if we take all the v to one side and x to another side, then what will we get? Then we will get that ddx of x, so take this term to this side. Okay, so it will be, if we take all of these terms to this side, then what it will be? So it will be of this form. It will be reciprocal of it, right? Means in this side the reciprocal of this will be here. Okay, so see, it will be minus b to the power 4 minus 6b square minus 1, right? Will be equal to, sorry, that dv is again, dv is equal to, and if you take x by dx, it will be equal to dx upon x, right? Just stop here and check the steps that what we have done till now. Okay, now see, if we integrate this term, what if we integrate this term, then it will be log x, right? And what about this one? How can we integrate it? So student, see, here is my minus b to the power 4 minus 6b square minus 1, right? And in the numerator there is b cube plus 3b, right? So if we take differentiation of it, then can we get this one or not? Or is there any other term which is missing here? So see, if we differentiate this one, then it will be 4b cube, right? Here 4 is missing. Okay, if we differentiate this one, then it will be 12b, right? And here is 3b, so we need 12b. So if we multiply it by 4, it will be 12b. Okay, and if we multiply, and what is the derivative of minus 1? It is 0, right? So yes, if we multiply the upper side with 4, then there may be any chance to be integrated, right? So let's try it. So see, by multiplying both sides with, let me write in the next page. Okay, so see, by multiplying both sides with 4, we get, what will we get? We will get that 4 into 4b cube plus 12b, right, by what is there? Minus b to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 minus 6b square minus 1, 6b square minus 1 dv is equal to, so it will be 4 dx by x, right? So write it, it will be 4 into dx upon x, right? So this is our new expression. Now what we have to do? So if we take derivative of this one, right, so we will get this one, right? But see here, minus should be in common, right? So take minus as common. Okay, so 4b cube plus 12b, it will be, if you take minus, then it will be b to the power 4 minus 6b square minus, sorry, it will be plus 1, right? dv, it will be equal to 4 into dx upon x, right? And students, see, okay, for our understanding, multiply both sides with minus, right? So you will be able to understand the integration easily. There will be no confusion. Okay, plus 1 dv, it will be equal to minus 4 dx upon x, right? So see, now write integrating both sides. Students, see, this is nothing but just the derivative of this term, right? So yes, we get the integration. So write, by integrating both sides with respect to x, we get, what will you get? We will get, let me change the color, we will get integration for b cube plus 12b by b to the power 4 plus 6b square plus 1 dv, it will be equal to, minus 4 is my constant, so it will be outside, and it will be equal to dx upon x, right? So now integrate it. So when you integrate, you will get this term. Since this is the derivative of this term, so it will be log v to the power 4 this term, right, plus 6v square plus 1, right, and it will be equal to minus 4 into what is the integration of 1 by x of dx? It is log x, simple, right, plus log c, where log c is the arbitrary integrating constant. Okay, so now just simplify it, you will get the result, right? So see, which imply log v to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1. If you take this to this side, what will you get? You will get minus will be here plus, okay, plus log x to the power 4, right? We are taking this 4 to this side, okay, at the power of x, and it will be equal to log c, right? And it will imply, see, by using the log property, what will you get? You will get that v to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 into x to the power 4, and it will be equal to log c, right? We are getting it by using the log property. What was the property? The property was log a plus log b, it is always equal to log ab, right? We are using this property here, right? So it will imply, see, log this equal to log this, so we can cancel the log, so cancel it. So what will you get? You will get v to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 into x to the power 4 is equal to c, right? So finally we got our expression, right? But students, see, there is still the solution remains incompleted. Why? Because we have to put the value of v, right? So from where will we get? So see, from equation 1, what is given? That y equal to vx, right? So if y equal to vx, so it will imply v will be equal to y by x, right? And let it be equation b, okay? So use it, x to the power 4 v means y by x to the power 4 means this term, plus 6 into v square means y square by x square plus 1 is equal to c, right, from equation b. Right, now simplify it. What will you get? You will get this term, that x to the power 4 as common. Now take the LCM. If you take the LCM, you will get x to the power 4 as LCM, right? And it will be y to the power 4 plus 6 and x square x to the power 4. So multiply it with x square, you will get this term, plus you will get this one, right, is equal to c. Now students, see, we can cancel this term, right? So what is the remaining? The remaining one is x to the power 4 plus 6x square y square plus y to the power 4 is equal to c, right? Where c is arbitrary integrating constant, right? And this is our final answer. So this is the solution of this problem, right? And students, if you find any difficulty in this solution, right, or in any step, then comment your doubt, right? Because comment section is only for you. Ask your doubt there, I will make you a proper reply. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the solution. Okay, So finally, thank you for watching this video, and I have written a very beautiful line for you by Stefan Banach, who was the great mathematician. Okay, so what is the line? Mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. Okay, so with this line I want to end this lecture. Thank you.